Welcome to the heart of New York City. Today, we're taking a look inside one of Manhattan's most popular microhotels, PUD Times Square. If you are looking for a space that is clean, decent, and right in the middle of the action, this is it. Let's check out the Queen PUD. This is the Queen PUD. Yes, it is undeniably small and compact, but it is incredibly well designed. Everything feels crisp, modern, and perfectly organized to give you exactly what you need without any wasted space. The centerpiece of the room is the queen bed, which takes up a good portion of the floor plan but is very comfortable. Positioned perfectly for lounging in bed is a flat-screen TV to help you wind down after a long day of navigating the city crowds. For those who need to get a little work done, there's a dedicated work desk and chair tucked into the layout. They have also integrated some really handy charging spots right where you need them, alongside the standard telephone and clock for your convenience. Comfort is definitely a priority here.
Tutoring business, kept in one ledger. Download Tutor Ledger from iPhone App Store.
The room has reliable air conditioning to keep things cool, and most importantly, the windows are completely soundproof. You are just blocks away from Times Square, but once you close them, the city noise disappears. Plus, if you look out into the distance, you even get a nice little peek at the Hudson River. Finally, let's talk about the bathroom. Despite the room being so compact, you still get a completely private, brilliantly clean bathroom to yourself. The highlight is a walk-in glass shower featuring a premium rain shower head. You don't have to worry about packing heavy either, because they provide shampoo and body wash right in the shower, and there's a hairdryer ready to go by the sink. It's small, it's highly compact, but it is incredibly clean, decent, and smart. If you just need a comfortable and quiet home base in the center of New York City, the Queen PUD at PUD Times Square has everything you need.